Man ako kaan sa kumpanya to guys. Ya na pa joy. Kana para merinda na lang siguro ni kay murag daghan man kayo. Guys, kanang man ako special treatment. Dayon ako sang gi-stop kayo mo. But kuan man kaayo kanang since leg unsa na sensitive niya akong baby dito na lang ako patulog lang ako siya patulog siyang bed kay man matulog gusto man siya sa iyang mama permi. Yeah, and guys, do you remember I said last yesterday that I expect to go home today, but the doctor come to me and said I need to stay more one day today, and let's hope that tomorrow it's gonna be better. My cell split, that it's the problem in my body is my cell splits. It's very low, you know, because my immune system is very strong, killing my body. Instead of killing only the infection in bacteria and shit, but my immune system don't know how to do that, so now they try to give me a treatment that is called that, I don't know what is that name, but I have to battle with that, and so they can stop my immune system that he just go non-stop and stop what he doing now. So yeah, it's I feel good because I'm here, so I getting better, guys, but I miss my kids, you know, especially my two girls. I miss them, and I have my 10 years old also I miss, and especially my 3 years old even is so much sometimes because I have a lot of energy. Look at this little man. I want his mama every time. Depends. Mordo da. Mordo. Mama iha. Alasli. Babente urilig. Mama iha. That's why I put him in my bed, so then see I put that at least that fence there so he cannot go near, like Ramla near. I put the tike in like that. Guys, I'm sorry that I mixing my words here because I cannot find all words, like if it's like mixing, you know, English, Svenska, and Bisaya. But I will try to do next time. Don't mix. Yeah, I hope, and I hope, guys, tomorrow I can go home. I hope I'm going better tomorrow because I cannot be here anymore. I feel useless myself. I have my kids home, and yeah, not very nice when you're a mother, and I want to see my kids. They're going to school and like that. I miss them. And guys, I will finish my food, and then I will do breastfeed my baby booster. Yeah, it's chaos that I do that. It's but so, and then he gonna sleep because he don't like to sleep in the night. Then I gonna sleep also. When he sleep, I gonna sleep also because in the night he didn't sleep. He want to you know, we wake a whole night, and then of course he get angry and crying if I don't carry him or something. He want to lie down in my breast, and He don't want to lay down there. He want the mama, mama, you know. But guys, thank you for watching, and I will update you tomorrow what's happening. By the way, I have this machine very sensitive. This is, I don't know. So guys, keep safe everyone and have a good day, because my baby is complaining. He really wants his mama.